Howdy gamers, it's your boy Roman Krieg. We're back again, and this is the end game. Why you ask? Well, look at this map. It's 7 minutes, and pretty much it's the end game. You can easily see the amount of casualties we took in. One, as you can see, the entire inner fort is covered in corpses, which is not good since we are the ones in the fort defending the fort. We do have a massive unit. So yeah, how we? So yeah. Well, they're not in melee. So I found out that you can merge units. So yeah, I'm gonna merge a unit. Milroy, I need you. What's gonna happen? I want to see what merges and happens. Oh jeez, sheesh. My OV is just, I don't know. We have a massive. We won. We won. That was it. So yeah, that was very comedically short. I thought these guys were gonna fight, but that's the end. That's the end of the Battle of Potomac Fort. Well, that was immensely epic and chaotic. If we had a victory, our units, we have killed hundreds, and our so we have one deceased units. We have one that had been promoted to major. He probably killed like hundreds of units. So, and we had we captured over who we captured over 1,500 guys. So yeah, that's the end of the video. We killed we killed over 8,000. So yeah, that's the end. Hope you liked and subscribed. So chat.